Hello everyone, my name is Arun Kumar Gupta and in today's session we are going to discuss AP and this chapter belongs to class 9th mathematics CBSE board and the chapter number is 5. So AP is simply mean arithmetic progression. This AP is a sequence and we notice one pattern on it. Let me explain what I am talking about. Let's suppose you have 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. So you will notice one point here, the common difference. 1 plus 2 gives you 3. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. 5 plus 2 gives you 7. So in the same way you will get this sequence, right? And you can get different kind of pattern like 4, 8, 12, 16 and up to so on. Here common difference is 4. Right? So we can notice one thing for that. We can form into a formula. How? I am telling you. The common difference of every series is same. Here common difference is 2 and here common difference is 4. So let's suppose I am generating a formula for that and how we can, I am telling you. Let's suppose the first term is A and the second term is A plus D. Let's say if I am having 2 and the common difference is 2, so A plus 2 gives you what? The second term. So if A is 2, then second term will be what? A plus and the common difference I am taking as 2. So this will be 4 and the next term is A plus 2D. Let's say I am adding one more common difference in the second term. So you will get what? 2 plus 2 into 2 like that. So you are getting 2, 4, then you will get 2 to the 4 plus 2 that is 6, 8 and up to so on. So now you need to do what? First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. And in the same way, you can easily find your nth term. How? This is your A1. This one is your A2, A3, A4, A5 and this is your AN. You can notice one thing. If I am talking about second term, you are getting only 1D. If I am talking about third term, you are getting only 2D. You are getting only 3D in the fourth term. So you are getting always 1D less. So in the same way, if you are talking about nth term, so you will get A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is a formula for nth term. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let's suppose you have a series 4, 8, 12, 16 and someone is asking find 10th term of this series. So you will do what? A10. You can put n as 10 in this. You have this formula. You have n as 10 A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So A10 is equals to A plus 9D you simply have, right? And A is 4. Common difference you know 8 minus 4 that is 4. You can also find your common difference as 12 minus 8 that is also 4. So 9 into 4. So you are getting as A10 is equals to 4 plus 9 4 is 36. So A10 is 40. Correct? Let's suppose we are talking about summation of this series. Let's say I am doing that. So this will become what? This will become what? Sum of n terms of an AP. Right? So let's say we are going to find a formula for this series. I can write Sn as A plus D, A plus 2D and up to so on. And let's say I am writing this Sn in some another way. Like I am taking last term first. If I subtract common difference from this, so what I will get? I will get An minus D and the previous one is An minus 2D. I can also write it. I just reverse it, right? So in the same way you will get last term as plus A. And you have two equations. When you add these two equations, you will get what? Twice of Sn is equals to your DD cancel, 2D cancel, all the D will cancel and you will get only A and AN. And how many times? Till n times you will get. Here you will get n and A, you will get A n times and here you will get AN n times. So you can write it as n times of A plus AN. So twice of Sn you will get n by, you can easily find your Sn, n by 2, A plus AN. So this is formula for this series when you add all these terms. So this is summation formula, right? Sum of n terms of this series. And you can write one more thing on that. N by 2 A plus AN value you directly know, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So you can write A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? So Sn is equals to what? N by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? This is summation formula. So we have two formulas, right? We can use whatever is given, right? So we can check that thing and we can use these formulas. So these are the basic terms. This is the basic knowledge about AP. So I hope guys you got it, and in the next session we will do something different.